Hey guys, this is another video with Pit Cartel. You're with Jalen. I've been having a starting issue with my CRV, gas related. I don't know how I ended up with the conclusion of hitting this passenger side one day in hopes like it's the fuel relay, and perhaps it was a fuel relay. It was not clicking on when I was turning or priming the vehicle. So today I'm going to show you guys how to change the fuel pump relay in a 1997 to 2001 CRV. Let's get it. This job is in the glove box. So first thing I always recommend is grabbing a box for all your junk in the glove box if you're not a organized person. But first, I've already popped the tabs off. There are two tabs on either side. You'll pop them out through outside first, lift up to a 90 degree, and then slide out. We put that to the side, and then what I like to do is just like that. So luckily the fuel pump relay is right here. Looks like lots more is going to have to happen. Screwdriver like me, or a drill. Just like that. Wow. So fresh, so clean, so fresh, so clean. Minutes for this bitch to feel like cut on. And I still don't know why I waited so long. Two clips. I'm gonna slide it in pretty nicely. Make sure it's firm. It really designed this CRV pretty great, no lie. Love the CRV. So simple. So simple. Oh, look what fell out. Oh. I'm done. Bow.